Hello, my name is Raluca and I'm the Community Engagement Manager at Milestone Systems. And I hope you're having a great time at DevCon and you are soaking in all the knowledge and inspiration from our speakers in terms of what you can do with video technology. And talking about inspiration, our next speaker is truly one to be considered. It is none other than the winner of our Milestone Community Kickstarter contest 2021, Hrvoje Bilic, the co-founder of Trivision D. But before I let Hrvoje steal the show, I'll take the chance to give you a quick introduction to the Kickstarter. As the name says it, this contest is our way to reward the talented individuals in the area of technology and give them a kickstart to develop their ideas and turn them into reality. So how does it work? It all starts with you. If you have an idea that builds on top of Milestone's video management software and utilizes the MIP or the Milestone Integration Platform, SDK and APIs, then you have the grounds to participate. To do that, you should go on milestonesys.com and under the Community tab, you can find the Kickstarter page. There you should download and fill in the entry form and submit it to us no later than 15th of December 2021. We will assess all the entries and you will hear from us shortly. The winner of the competition will win $10,000 in cash as well as other marketing and development resources. So, to find out more about the competition, don't hesitate to visit the Kickstarter page here on the event platform or drop us an email at developer@milestonesys.com. And now, who better to tell us about his experience participating in the Kickstarter contest than the winner of last year? Hrvoje, hello, how are you? How are you doing?
Hello, Raluca, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you indeed. I wanted to ask you a little bit about your experience participating in the Kickstarter competition last year and what motivated you to give it a try?
Well, I had a good time, not an easy time, but I had a good time. I wanted our idea to be assessed by the industry professionals. And that was the reason why I entered the Kickstarter competition.
Amazing. And I can assume that developing the idea meant you had to get a bit down and dirty with the Milestone's integration platform and also the VMS to get familiar yourself with the Protect. How was that? How was that for you?
Well, basically, I'm an electrical engineer. I'm not a professional software developer, but I took a general overview of the MIP platform. Then I talked to our senior software developer, and we assessed that we need around 2 months of development to have a demo version working. But we were dead wrong. Now, after 4 months, we know that we need another 2 months to finish the development. So, what was our problem along the way with the MIP? Basically, we would assume that things are working in some manner, and we would try to find an example confirming our assumption. But basically, that's not how the MIP is working. So, for example, in event server, we assume that event server is sending dedicated messages to smart client or our plugin within the smart client. And then after 10 days, we have realized that it's the other way around, that smart client is listening all the messages and we need to filter the messages to receive the messages that we want. So basically, you have to introduce yourself to MIPS and you have to, there is a learning curve in a MIP that you can simply not avoid. So that was our problem with the MIP. But once you learn how the part of the MIP that is that you are interested in is working, then you have no problem with integration platform.
Awesome. So I can assume it's been quite a journey for you. And now, if you have any piece of advice for people who are just at the beginning of their journey, people who are thinking to participate in the Kickstarter, what would you tell these people?
Yes, I would definitely suggest anyone that has an idea and anyone that has a demo that it should apply to contents, because their idea and their product will be assessed by the industry professionals, and I know they're going to have a very good time like I did.
Awesome. And now, could you tell us about your winning idea? I'll give the virtual mic to you.
Trivision D is the company that develops vision products based upon our own research and development. One of our technology strong point is the ability to connect the digital world of pixels with real 3D world. This means that objects from a real world that has been detected inside a video stream is traced back or mapped back into a real world with high accuracy. In a nutshell, we are using video camera as a measuring tool and the sensor unit. So simply said, video camera used as visual sensor. My background is entertainment industry, where I have developed the world's first visual stage tracking system called Spotrac. The system uses video camera to track a person on a stage with the moving lights. Human operator uses mouse pointer to follow the performer on the screen, and at the same time, software program is capturing current mouse pointer on the screen and directing moving lights into the target position on the stage. This program has shown that camera can be used as a measuring tool, but it took me 2 years of work to reach to the point where I can say and take any camera to be used as a visual sensor. I have immediately realized that video camera used as a visual sensor will reach its full potential in video surveillance. Therefore, I have teamed up and started talking with industry professionals, and very soon we have identified 3 new functionalities that needs to be implemented in today's video surveillance systems. So first thing that we need to do is to extract the metadata from any camera and any number of cameras in a system and place them on one map. The next thing we need to develop is intelligent control of PTZ cameras to use their full potential. And finally, we need to achieve simple remotely controlled system that will reduce the need for legwork of video surveillance officers. First system feature that is a fundamental system feature is a live map. Our plugin is displaying current position of every detected object on a map or a floor plan from all cameras on a site. We want to achieve seamless tracking of objects from outdoors, indoors, and in between floors. Metadata created on the live maps are used for real-time tracking, heat maps, even for deploying a drone in distant areas. Our plugin provides automated and intelligent control of PTZ cameras. Our plugin enables the end user to point and click on a map or to point and click on a video stream to direct one or more PTZ cameras in that direction. User can use a mouse pointer to automatically activate PTZ cameras and direct them in a position where mouse pointer is pointing. Our plugin is using images as maps, so that any of these images can be used as a map. Before an image can be used as a map, it needs to be calibrated. Google Earth Pro can be used as a tool for calibration. Now on this map, we will add 2 place marks, map calibration point 1, and map calibration point 2. We can use any distinguishing mark on this map. After we have added 2 calibration points, we will export them as, for example, demo map. Now we will start Spotrac Management Client and select an image to be used as a map. We will edit already existing demo map and we will start the calibrating by
selecting an image. Now we will select point on an image, and we will select geo coordinates for that point. Map calibration 1 is the point that we have selected. Now we will repeat the process for a point 2. And we will select a demo map, and we will select map calibration point 2. We will save the data. Yes. And this is a process of calibrating an image to be used as a map. We have already calibrated the camera, so the camera, once the map is calibrated, is automatically added to an image. Adding a visual sensor to a map is equivalent to adding a calibration point to a map. So we are going to cameras. We will select a Trivision D plugin. We will select the camera that we want to use as a visual sensor, and we will import its data. So visual sensor, a mounting position, and calibration point of visual sensor. Visual sensor calibration point. So when we select the maps, a visual sensor will be updated automatically. There can be any number of visual sensors within the system, and they are all used to control PTZ cameras. And they are also used to display a movement on a map. So if visual sensor detects a movement on a map, it will display that movement on a map, and it will automatically direct a PTZ camera in direction of that movement. Here we have one example of detected movement that it's displayed on a map. And automated control of PTZ camera. So here we have a system that controls the PTZ cameras and displays the position of every moving object just by extracting data from any number of visual sensors. Live Maps example has shown us how easy it is to track a moving object once the metadata is extracted from any number of visual sensors. Main advantage in automated tracking is a hand-free control. Our plugin is making end user aware of any moving object and its position in the real world. And this feature enables automated tracking of those objects by using any number of PTZ cameras. To enable automated tracking, it is only a matter of calculating the right amount of pan, tilt, and zoom channel for each PTZ camera. So the main advantage here in automated tracking is a hand-free control of pan and tilt devices. Here we have an example of remote video surveillance. When visual sensor detects motion on the grass area, it will raise the alarm since this area is marked as a red area. It will also automatically activate and direct all available PTZ cameras in that direction. Here an end user is presented with a map of the site with position of detected object. Red dot presents detected motion in forbidden area. Red arrow is displaying current direction of PTZ camera, and two red rectangles are presenting video streams from PTZ cameras. End user has all the relevant information about the event on the screen without the need to control or operate on any part of the system. If another motion is detected by another visual sensor, system will direct closest PTZ camera in that direction. In this example, another object has been detected by another visual sensor. Entrance area during working hours is marked with yellow color code, so PTZ camera will track the event but without the rising of alarm. Here we have demonstrated that simple video sensor can be used to achieve intelligent tracking functionality and provide us with full understanding of events on supervised site. In remote supervision scenario, this intelligent management of PTZ devices is dramatically reducing network load from site to remote supervision center. Only positioning data positioning metadata from visual sensors and PTZ video streams are required to be transferred. In terms of network speed, this adds up to 15 megabytes per second for 3 PTZ camera in HD resolution and 30 frames per second. This site can have, for example, 30 visual sensors with 3 PTZ cameras, and Expertech will provide it with full real-time remote supervision. This type of intelligent PTZ control is making this solution cloud and network friendly. This example has shown that Xprotect is generating metadata on a site level. Video stream from all cameras on a site are used to generate this metadata, and metadata search by location is another benefit added to Xprotect. Another step in remote or local site supervision is virtual guard functionality. We want to use Xprotect to enable the end user to point and click on a map or to point and click on a video stream and direct any number of PTZ camera in that direction. End user can move a mouse over a map or over a live video stream, and Xprotect will activate and direct all PTZ cameras that can reach that position into that position. So in this example, placing a mouse pointer in position 1 will activate PTZ cameras 1 and 2 and direct them in the targeted position 1. Placing a mouse pointer in position 2 will automatically deactivate camera 1 and activate PTZ cameras 2 and 3 and direct them into a targeted position. Here, a system is using a map functionality to activate and control only the PTZ cameras that can reach targeted position. A mouse pointer can also be placed over a live video stream, and system will also activate and deactivate PTZ cameras to direct them in a targeted position where a mouse pointer is pointing. Using video camera as visual sensor have enabled us to generate high accuracy positioning metadata as well as dimension metadata of every detected object. Video analysis is based upon a camera physical parameters and not on image analysis alone. This makes a huge difference between our system for video analytics and today's systems for video analytics. Therefore, visual sensor can be combined with all other sensors in one integrated platform that provides an end users with a set of features and tools for a powerful video management system. Our approach to video analysis is using camera, image, and lens physical parameters with image analysis. We have discovered that video analysis based only on image analysis often returns confusing results, and more importantly, it limits the use of vision-based systems. So extracting location metadata from visual sensor will direct PTZ camera for close-up look. Image analysis of that close-up capture image will give more accurate results from object recognition algorithm. So by using existing equipment in intelligent manner, adds the system functionality and creates the basis to add a new value to an end customers. Now, video surveillance system can become part of an end customer core business. The advantage of such a system is in a smart and automated control of existing equipment. A video sensor can be integrated in a sensor fusion platform. Automated drone dispatching and seamless indoor and outdoor tracking is now enabled. 3D filtering is also enabled. 3D filter will reduce the number of false alarms, and this technology works, and this system works with any installed camera. So this system is the only system that has full situation awareness and has endless possibilities. We plan this system to be available in first quarter of next year, so please stay in touch.